he got it. Hole in his lip, I can feel it. Ooh. Go, 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 go! Hard. What's going on, guys? Unfortunately, it's been kind of crappy weather lately. I haven't been able to fish as much as I wanted to, but this video is going out. We had a nice day on the water when it was still sunny before all the storms. Caught some nice freaking snook. Probably the biggest snook of the year so far, so check it out. This is the setup out. This is the setup we were using on this trip, guys. I will talk a little bit more about it at the end of the video. Don't forget, we got a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, guys, and check this video out. Alright, out here. Can't find any bait. We've been looking for a while, but we found a little pattern going. Nick already caught a snook. We're gonna try to just fish with artificials for now, unless we can find any other bait. We got Kendall with us. We got Kendall with us fishing. And this little, it's a DOA swim bait. Jig head, red and white color. Snook's favorite munch, dude. Really? Ooh, oh no, that's not a big mullet, dude. Oh, back there? Yeah, look, look. No, 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 chill, chill, chill. You scared him, dude. Just threw 2 baits at him. Huge snook, dude. Did you see that? So many weird birds on this island. Nice trout. Yeah, nice trout. What's a good trout? Nice. Hey. You want to keep it? Yeah, definitely. It's biting. They try to bite you? Do they bite? No. Swallowed that. Yeah, he's gonna die probably because he swallowed it, so might as well. It's a nice trout though. It's definitely a keeper. Yo, it's trapped in the water. Nah, it's a snook, dude. It's a catfish. Are you serious? Is that a catfish? Yeah. Giant bowl is falling like dude. I can tell. Ooh. Yeah. That was so random. Oh. Like right there in the shadow. Yeah. Got one? What is it? I think it's a little snook or redfish. It's a trout. Trout? Yeah. Nice one, They're just getting hit out there. Yeah. There's fish on this island, for sure. Watch this barracuda attack this. That was huge. Probably. Oh! I don't know, it may have been. Looks like a stud. Catfish. Ooh, big snook. Oh, oh, he just swam right up to you. Sits. Oh, got him. Nice fish. Nice fish. 22. Yeah. It's like got shoulders or something. Yeah, look at that. It's nice though. Nice. It's gotta be some more back here. Nick 1, Gabe 0. Got him. Oh, so annoying. It's like some reason they shake the hook every time. It's a nicer one. Yeah. They're all pretty decent. Oh yeah. You like the gulp. That time I stuck it. a little one. Probably smaller than yours. It's like,
oh, yeah, like
19 or 20. Oh. Okay. Ow. Yeah, they got a little more teeth than a bass.
It's really hard.
Ooh. Came right up to the surface and grabbed it.
You saw him?
Yeah. That was pretty cool.
Oh, no.
Ooh, it's like a keeper snapper though.
Keeper?
Yeah, I'll keep that one because he swallowed it too.
There's a big ass fish right there.
That's all tarpon.
Yeah, those are all tarpon. What, like 10 pounders probably?
Yeah, 5'10". Ooh. Oh. Oh my god.
One's going after you.
Got him? Got him?
No, big snapper.
Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god, I thought this one was big, dude.
Hell yeah, we got dinner tonight now.
I thought you got one on the tarpon for
Yeah,
sure.
Yeah, me too. Snapper fight.
Look at the size of that one, dude.
It's like a 14-incher.
You got dinner.
Put it back there.
Yeah, dude. Oh, holy where'd they all come from? Remember how many there were? Oh, look, right there. Straight ahead. Don't let us hit this post. Don't let us hit this post. Oh.
Ooh. Ooh.
No.
You looked at it a little bit, though.
Oh, you got it.
You got it.
Oh. Cut it. Cut the 50.
Wow.
Sight fished him though. That was cool.
Nice.
See if he's got another hook in there. Alright. Alright. Another one. They fight really hard.
They're so strong.
He hit it on top water. That was cool.
He fought it. See that?
Oh, Kendall's got a sheep's head. Oh, yeah, dude. That was so sick.
We haven't gone that side yet.
Yeah, I haven't tried that part yet. Got him? Oh. Jack. Everything but the tarpon are biting. That's.
We said they like the crabs, right?
Yeah, they like crabs a lot. If you could find some crabs, they're decent. This little Jack.
So, like, it looks more natural if they're going the right way.
Yeah.
The fish can tell, like, oh, that's kind of weird.
Yeah.
They don't go after that kind of stuff.
That's why I usually hook them through the tail. Oh, the sheep's head ate it, dude. Yeah. Oh! Oh!
What did I tell you?
Oh!
Instantly broke it, dude, like nothing.
I'm shaking right now, dude. You see it come out and jump like that? I didn't even pull it that hard. PB Snook lost again, like it's nothing. Now we've both got 50-pound tip leader on there. I feel like that's kind of too much at this point, but we'll see what happens. They're all like right on the edge of these mangrove lines. 30 is not enough, dude. Even when they don't even hit the structure, it's just like the gill plates. That's all it is, dude.
Yeah.
It didn't even break on anything, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
Drag was tested, it's straight.
It
Like,
wasn't even on very long. It's not like
Just
he
cut
fought
it.
It's not like he fought for a while.
just cut it,
wore
dude.
Through it.
yeah.
It is instant.
Pretty much muscle them out of there, this 50-pound. Oh, there's a snook right next to mine, dude. Oh, he's turning on it. Turning on it, dude. Yeah. Wait, don't even move. I don't know if you got it or not. He was turning it right there. I don't know if you got it or not. wasn't as big, but yeah, I got it. Oh, it's a nice one though.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
On the 50.
Ate the 50. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is my GoPro running right now?
Yeah, it's running. It's on.
Oh my god. It's pulling a hole in his lip. I can feel it. Ooh, it's a nice freaking snook, dude.
It's not structured, dude.
Kendall's like sleeping over there. Oh my, it's hooked perfectly, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. Just grab him, dude. Just like bear hugged him, dude.
25.
That's one of my, that's I think my biggest right there. On the 50-pound leader.
I told you, dude.
That's enough right there, dude.
The one you lost to, his mouth was twice that size.
Yeah, no, the one I lost was way bigger than this, but I was like, that's why I said I was like, this one's smaller, but
Put him on there, dude. So
look
nice
at that
fish.
snook. That's like my
They
biggest
fight
of the
so
year
hard.
at least. That's definitely my biggest this year for sure. At 24. All right. There's bigger ones in here though.
Yeah.
There's some big
That's
ones
what a
in
24
here.
looks like. That's not even a keeper, Kendall.
Really?
No, yeah.
4 more inches.
No, Kendall saw a big one, bigger one than this.
You got my hands so good.
Holy crap. That was amazing, dude. I saw him eat it and everything.
You got
dude.
it all on film too?
Yeah.
You thought it was small.
Oh.
He's gonna go. Put it right next to him. Put it right next to him. He's deeper down there now. Dang it.
That was cool. He was going for it. Wait for another one. Wait for another one. Oh wait, he's going back. He's going back. Too close. Oh, all right. Knew there'd be one back
Damn
there.
it.
That was a nice snook, too, Kendall.
My first snook.
Hey, that was awesome.
you got it,
I didn't know
right?
if there's gonna be one back there.
You got it?
Yeah.
At least I
Awesome.
got him like up in the air.
Yeah, you basically.
You got him jumping. You got him out of the dock. That's
Catch
the
and
best
release
thing.
anyways.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
biggest part of the fight.
That was awesome though.
Wanna put another
Got
snook on for
him.
me?
Oh.
It felt good.
Yeah, they're pretty
Snook are
strong,
fun. Oh yeah. Just being the tour guide right now.
You're the guide right now?
Yeah, I'm manning the trolling motor and putting y'all on the fish. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Reel, 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 reel. Reel, reel, reel. Oh, nice. I thought it was just another snook. Grab the tail. Nice, dude.
Shout out to tour guide Gabe Feltman.
Oh, got one. Go, 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 go. Go with the trolling motor right now, right now. Oh my God, sorry. Oh. Oh, no, he's done, dude. He was so done a while ago. That was a monster. Got him. Got him. Got him. Ah ha ha.
Catfish?
Catfish. Oh my God! Holy crap!
Dude,
Oh my God! I mean, if y'all did that for me, I would have got this one too. I'm trolling away. He's out here now.
Whoa, watch out. Jesus Christ, dude.
Turn him, dude. Turn him, dude. He's bigger than the other one, dude. Oh, I'm gonna grab him, bro. Huge. Thing is giant, dude. Don't do it yet. Bear hug him, dude. Wait, right here. I'll just grab him, honestly.
Right, bring
Oh
him.
my God, the mullet are following him for some reason.
Grab him, dude. Grab him, grab him.
Oh my God, dude.
Hell yeah.
Oh, what the hell, dude? Like a 30-incher. That one
That's all I
is.
want for my birthday right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Holy crap, dude.
That's a gorgeous fish right there.
Got him out. That was probably the same
Definitely
one
gotta
over
get some
there.
pictures of it. Oh yeah, this is the biggest one we've caught all trip.
Oh, he's like 28.
28 and a half.
This is keeper size.
Oh my god.
Small keeper size.
We're like stuck in this corner again, dude. There he goes. 5.
Yeah, he came out from the dock and got it.
I'll show you guys the setup I was using. This is the Sharky 3 5000 with 50-pound cast king braid on there. This is the high vis yellow. Now the more high vis you want to use, the more long of a leader you're going to want to use as well, because you don't want the fish really seeing that at all. The heaviest Penn Squadron rod I could find, it's a 7-foot medium heavy fast action, up to 40-pound braid. Even though I put 50 on here, I'm kind of pushing it, but it can throw up to 1.5 ounces lure, which is great for big plugs. You can also throw big live baits, anything like that. We're using small circle hooks and beak hooks, size 2 and 3. I would always recommend using a circle hook. You don't even have to set the hook. Literally, just as soon as you know the fish is eating it, give them a few seconds. Sorry, the rain was getting really bad. As soon as you know the fish is eating it, give them a few seconds to get it down and just start reeling. Just start reeling that circle hook, putting pressure on it, depending on how you're fishing. Like we were fishing under docks, just start pulling them out of the dock. And that should set the hook by just doing that. It's a lot easier than setting the hook and risking gut hook with the Snook. The leader we were throwing today is 50-pound fluorocarbon. That was even getting broken off, so we ended up switching up to 60-pound mono, because that was the heaviest we had with us. 60-pound mono would never break, but it is also really hard to get bites. I would recommend using a bigger live bait with 60-pound mono, but 50-pound was working great with the shrimp. We just had a problem breaking off still a few times with that. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed the action. I'm going to have a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, so don't forget about that. I have a link for all the products, all the rods and reels and line and tackle will all be below that we were using today. I'm going to get inside before this storm gets too crazy. Get out there, catch some snook, guys, before the summer's over. Tight lines.